Hey there, everybody. I'm going to do a video here today, doing something a little different I've never done before. I've seen a lot of guys do this on YouTube here. A lot of you guys do this. I'm going to give this a try. I got myself a brand new model kit, and this model kit just came out sometime this year. 2021 is the date on it, and I want to look at it for the very first time. I'm going to look at it with you guys. So we're going to do an unboxing. The unboxing is of the Atlantis 1957 Chevy Funny Car. Saw this the other day and I picked it up, and I haven't opened it yet. It's still fully sealed. So we're going to open it together. Flip it around. We're going to open it together, and we're going to take a look at what's inside. So come along. All right. So I don't have a tripod for my camera or something to hold it up. So I'm going to keep my phone in one hand to go, yay! Hope you don't get motion sickness. And we're going to open up the Atlantis 1957 Chevy Funny Car. Tom Mongoose McEwen. Make fun of me later for saying that. This is the first time I'm opening it, so it'll be the first time we'll see it together. World's fastest 57 Chevy. That's kind of cool. So, like I said, bear with me, because we're going to try to do this one-handedly. So, as you see, it is unopened. If I can rip it apart. Wah. So the box has some really cool pictures on it there of it built up. Engine wiring sold separately. You can see they have the engine wired on the box there. Pictures of the car, a little doodad. I like how to keep the monogram styling, and another picture of the car in the box. So what is it? It says skill level 2, 14 and up. I don't think it matters what the skill level is. Alright, open it up. Nothing on the inside. Put that down. Nicely stacked boxes here. So let's see what we got. We got tires, rubber, on the tree. The big fats with the backing to them. And the little front ones. Little bicycle tires, I guess. That looks very cool. Got some glass. On funny cars, you got to put the glass in because that's how to keep the aerodynamicness. That is one big piece right there. Here's some chrome. Ooh, the chrome folds. Let's do this. Alright, cut that open there. Camera paused on me, so sorry about that. So, take these out of the baggie. And let's look at some chrome. Engine stuff, headers, wheels, wheelie bars, steering column, some more stuff for the engine, some more wheels. Looks like some suspension arms. Alright, very clean, very shiny, very bright. I hope they all come apart very nice without losing the chromeness. Got an instruction booklet. Got some writing. Got some pictures. I can't open it up. There it goes. It's not really a booklet. It's more of just a fold out. So, engine goes together. Pieces on the suspension, roll cage, the chair, underneath suspension, rear suspension. Looks like very basic funny car stuff here. I don't see anything out of the ordinary. Some hoses, linkages, get it all together. 2-part tires, wheelie bars, put the body together. Can't wait to see what this body looks like. And then place it on top. And then decal placements, if you choose to use those decals. Decals are also in the box. They're on the bottom. And of course I can't pick them up, so we're going to flip the box over. And they still don't come out. Decals are stuck to the box. Alright. Decals. Ooh. They got the 57 striping as a decal. That's kind of cool. They're newer decals, so I hope they work really good. 2021, so you know it's brand new. Alright, let's put those over there. That's the end of the box. Now let's take a look at the actual parts. This doesn't look like a lot of parts here. Let me put the camera down for a second so I could slice it open. And we'll look at this together. Alright, there we go. Here's the body. Nice long nose. Pick it up. It's just a shell. Very cool. Very clean. No flash on this. This looks very, very nice. This looks very, very nice. Liking it. Let's put that off to the side. Here is, oh man, that's all one piece. Look at this. There's all one piece. I'm used to, I guess the old AMTs where you have to glue all this together. So everything goes boom right on that and then right around it. Another piece. Some suspension, some more wiring, some engine parts. Back into the wheels. Parts look very, very clean. Not a lot of parts on this kit, I gotta tell you that. Here's some engine. Tub piece here. That's the rear bumper. Look at this. I gotta tell you, this looks very clean. At the end of the video, I have all the parts laid out in a picture form. Here's the wing. Again, very clean. Looks like I could use some sanding right along the edge here to take the mold line off. Not a big deal. It's not like flash or anything, it's just the mold line. I feel like they're cut off there. Cool. And that's the end of the bag, as you can see. So, here we are. The 1957 Atlantis Funny Car. The unboxing. Like I said, I'll have some pictures at the end here, have it all laid out so you can see it. And I'm looking forward to building this one. And hopefully it'll come out nice and I'll have a finished video for it. Hopefully sometime before the end of October, but we shall see. Alright guys, thank you for watching and I'll catch you all later.